Hey everyone, this is Alex from wornoffkeys.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get a VPS for free by using Vultr. So the link below this video, as well as in the pinned comments if you're watching on YouTube, will give you $100 in free VPS credit for up to 30 days. After that, it'll be around $5 a month for your VPS. From here, we can go to the top right and click on sign up. You can then enter your email and your password and then click on create account. Now at this stage, you should be sent to a billing screen similar to this one, where you will see $100 in free credit and that it expires in 30 days. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you have to choose the amount that you want to apply to your account, although you can just click on this right here. I just want to link my credit card with a $0 deposit. So if I click on this, it should be absolutely free, but you do have to link up your credit card here. And that's because after your $100 is used, or after 30 days, it needs some way to charge you so you can keep on using your VPS. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my information, and then I'll see you in the next screen. So now I'm on the products page here, and we can click on deploy instance at the bottom. We then want cloud compute, and you can scroll down and you can choose your server location here. Now keep in mind that some locations, such as New York right here, will give you access to a $2.50 a month server. However, we see right here, this is IPv6 only. If you're new to Linux, I highly suggest that you do not use the IPv6 only, but rather you use any other option. As we can see here, we have some options that are fairly cheap still, at $3.50 a month, as well as $5 a month here. So let's scroll back up, pick whatever region you want. I'll stick in New York. We can scroll back down, and we can select our server type. So most of these are fairly popular and do have decent documentation out there on the internet. However, to follow this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting Ubuntu and then selecting the latest version from this dropdown. I'm selected on the $3.50 a month version right here. If we scroll down further, we could then enable IPv6, auto backups, DDoS protection, and these do have additional costs, so that's up to you. I'm not going to be using any of these. If we scroll down further, we could just simply click on deploy now at the bottom. So here we see this is installing. This might take a few moments, so go ahead and pause the video while we wait for this to happen. So after a few minutes of waiting, we see the status is now running. We can then click on the name of our server here, and we should be sent to the actual page for this. From here, we can see the IP address, which we can click to copy. The default username is root as usual. And then we also have a password here, which we can click to show this password. It's randomly generated. And of course, we can change this once we're actually logged in. So I'm now going to open up something called Bitvice, which is similar to PuTTY and FileZilla if you've used SSH before. But this is basically how we're going to connect to our console, as well as how we can upload and download files built into one free program. A link to download this can be found in the description of this video. So once you have this open, you want to insert in the actual host, which is our IP address, which we can click right here to copy. Afterwards, the port would be 22, and the username, as we see right here, is root. So over in the username field, we can add in root, and then we want to go ahead and copy our password right here. And going back over to Bitvice, we can go to initial method is password. And then we can store the encrypted password in our profile, and we can paste this in right here. We can save this profile, and then that way you can easily open it up and log in at any time. And then from here, we can also log in. The first time you log into any VPS with Bitvice, you're going to get this confirmation. Just simply click on accept and save. And then afterwards, you have two windows that open up. One is your console here, and the other one is your file manager, where you can download files by dragging them over, or you can upload files by dragging them over into the VPS side. So the left side is your actual computer. By default, it should be your desktop, and the right side is going to be the actual files on your VPS.